How to make a video collage on the InShot app. What's up everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to easily create a video collage on the InShot app. You can find this app both on Google Play Store and App Store. So once you open up the app, all you have to do is tap on the video section and allow access to your video. Then you are just going to create a blank canvas and tap on OK. So once you create this, here you can set the timer of the video according to your need. So I'm just going to do it around 25 seconds for now. So once you do that, what you need to do is, if you want to change the background color, I'm just going to go ahead and tap on background. And then I'm just going to make it white. This looks good enough. And now all you have to do to insert a video is tap on this PIP, which stands for picture in picture. Tap on it and select the video that you want to import. Adjust its size like this. And once you do so, your video will be of this length right here. And to import another video, you do the same thing. Tap on your blank canvas, tap on PIP, and then insert a new video. So I'm just going to do that again and select this video. And I'm just gonna insert another video here. So I am just going to adjust its size like this. And once you are done adjusting your size, you should be good to go. So once I do this, the video should start playing. Well, I'm just gonna drag it to the start, all of these videos. And once you do that, you can play it, and all of them are playing simultaneously. So that's how you make a picture or a video collage on the InShot app. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.